Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So we will be doing your next 48 hours reading. Let's begin. So today I'm going to divide this into the divine masculine and divine feminine energy. You can check both, you can check accordingly, whatever you wish to. So let's see. Oh, okay. I really do feel that divine masculines are really going to feel super energetic in the next 48 hours. Okay, let's see. Let me pull all the cards first and then oh my god, wow. I just need to check something. All right, so let's start with the divine masculine energy. With the masculines, I do feel that you have some kind of curiosity. Okay, you are going to experience that you want to learn something. Okay, there's something that is going to make you feel really curious. Okay, some of you, I do feel that you will change some kind of habit of yours. Okay, so let's say for example, you're really addicted to tea. Okay, or you are really addicted to some, let's say, alcohol or something of that sort. So I do feel that something is coming into your life which is going to make you leave your attachments, unhealthy attachments. It is going to make you leave your addictions. Okay, something of that sort. Something really beautiful is catching your eye. Okay, now it can be a trap for you. Okay, a good trap where universe knows that जब तक ये चीज़ नहीं होगी, ये इंसान इन गलत चीज़ों को नहीं छोड़ेगा या छोड़ेगी या whatever. Okay, so that kind of energy is there and it's going to be something where you will be completely immersed into it. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा आप घुस जाओगे उस चीज़ के अंदर, इतना ज़्यादा आप डेप्थ में चले जाओगे दैट you won't even know कि आपका टाइम आपके बैकग्राउंड में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा. Okay, and then I also feel that some of you, for the divine masculines, or I would say for the divine, okay, let's talk about the masculine energy. Masculine energy is really getting attracted to a specific person as well, is what I see. Okay, you are dealing with someone who is quite innocent. So you might be dealing with someone who can really handle your anger, or if you're really angry kind of a person, or if you see that there's a lot of seriousness in your energy or anything of that sort, there's someone who really admires this energy of yours. Okay, there's someone who doesn't take your boldness or doesn't take your not arrogance, I would say, but that strict nature of yours as something which is bad. Okay, that person, the person that you're dealing with, they really admire your energy, and it can be universe as well for some. Okay, just in case if you have doubt related to the kind of masculine energy you have, and you are very strict, or you can be arrogant, or you can be angry, or if you have a lot of hurt, still universe loves you. Or you have someone in your life who still sees you with a lot of innocence, and you know, like, I would say this person still sees you without any judgment. This is what I feel here. Okay, and you are dealing with someone who is very much complete within themselves. Okay, आप किसी एक ऐसे पर्सन से डील कर रहे हो जो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप में ना बहुत कंप्लीट है. ये जो एनर्जी है, दिस एनर्जी इज abundant. Okay, you are dealing with someone who's really abundant, and you will see that this person is kind of surrounded with other people, or they are surrounded by always angelic energies, spiritual energies. I also feel that they are, their energies or their relationship with money or abundance, even that is quite good. Okay, then another message that I'm getting for the divine masculines is also that a universe is actually putting you in some kind of a path. Okay, and universe is going to do something very clever. ओके, इट्स लाइक आपको कहीं पे एक बीच सड़क में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ डालेंगे विच इज़ रियली गोइंग टू कैच योर अटेंशन, एंड व्हेन यू कैच व्हेन यू यू नो catch that particular thing, right from that point there's going to be a new way which is going to be created for you, because universe knows कि जब तक उस डिस्ट्रैक्शन को आपकी लाइफ में लेके नहीं आएंगे तब तक आपको वो अपना पाथ ही नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस, ठीक है, सो इफ़ यू सी दिस कैट इज लुकिंग एट दीज फ्लावर्स, और उसके लिए ऐसा लग रहा है कि दिस इज समथिंग न्यू, और दिस इज समथिंग स्ट्रेंज फॉर हर, एंड एकदम से कहीं से ये कुछ आ गया. सो यूनिवर्स इज गोइंग टू डू समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, एंड देन यू गोइंग टू लुक एट दिस pathway. Okay, which for a lot of you, I do feel that this pathway is related to your ancestral healing. It is related to your roots as well. For some it can be related to having a strong foundation. You can say marriage, commitment, but not for everyone. For most of the masculines, I do see that this is related to your some kind of pattern healing. कोई एक ऐसा पैटर्न या कोई एक ऐसी कंडीशनिंग जो आपकी फैमिली के टाइम से चली आ रही है, उस चीज़ के ऊपर कुछ वर्क करना. ओके, that is there. Then I also we also have Queen of Wands. So I do see that there's going to be an energy which is going to give you a right direction, or you can say just something which will put you in the right direction. Okay, for some I also feel that there's some feminine energy which is really taking your attention, which is really catching your attention, and you might want to know this person more. Some of the divine masculines are attracting. Okay, or you're going to meet someone in your life. Okay, if you're single or anything, you're just going to meet someone really amazing, someone really energetic, the one who has that Queen of Wands kind of an energy, or you can say someone who is intuitive as well. Okay, this person would be really close to animals. So this is the kind of energy that you are attracting in your life. So I see two energies. One is that there's going to be an external feminine energy that you might meet in the upcoming future, and the second is that your path to some kind of ancestral healing or generational healing is beginning for you. Okay, and that is going to take place super soon. I would say कि उसकी जो energy है वो start हो चुकी है. And please also one more thing before I continue, I do not want to see any kind of comments about English में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो. मेरा जो मन करेगा मैं उसमें बोलूँगी. जिसको यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है वो वहीं पे ही चला जाए, बिकॉज इट रियली इरिटेट्स मी. एंड अगर अब मैं वो देखूंगी, मुझे पता है कि मैं उस इंसान को ब्लॉक कर दूंगी सीधा. सो please do not write anything related to language. Okay, Now coming to the feminine energy, we have the, oh my god, just look at this card. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर अ फीमेल वॉचिंग दिस, ओके, तो अगर आप एक फीमेल भी हो ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी फेमिनिन साइड जो थी वो एक्टिव नहीं थी, योर मैस्कुलिन साइड वाज मोर एक्टिव, बट नाउ रिसेंटली समथिंग हैज हैपेंड और समथिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस वेयर यू गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस अ कंप्लीट डेथ of who you have been till now. Okay, because now your left side of the body, okay, your feminine side is getting activated. I don't know what you are doing, but something is happening where you will see that your heart chakra is going to get awakened. Okay, and it's like you are going to experience a death of your personality. ओके आपकी फॉल्स ईगो की डेथ बोल लो, आपको जो लग रहा था आपकी पर्सनालिटी की डेथ बोल लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टेल यू, जैसे कि एक होती है हमारी पर्सनालिटी और एक होती है हमारी रियल सेल्फ. जैसे हम जब टैरो देखते हैं या हम जब जोडियाक्स देखते हैं, राइट, वी हैव आवर सन साइन एंड वी हैव आवर मून साइन. सो सन साइन इज व्हाट वी कनेक्ट, यूजुअली वी कनेक्ट a lot with our sun sign and less with the moon sign. Why? Because sun sign actually represents your ego or your personality, and moon sign represents who you actually are, what is your nature, who you are at the core. So now you will see that with time you're going to connect more with your moon sign and less with your sun sign, because when you face that ego death in your life, you will no longer be able to connect with your sun sign. Okay, because now you will be more and more authentic. So this is the kind of energy that you are going to experience, and this death is happening, okay, symbolically, of course. Then we have the card of tower. So like I said, there's going to be another thing that I see is there's going to be a lot of chaotic energy. Okay, so universe is going to, for example, let's say कि एक बिल्डिंग है और उस बिल्डिंग को तोड़ना है, लेकिन उस बिल्डिंग के जो लोग हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ढीठ हैं, वो निकल ही नहीं रहे हैं. सो उसके बाद क्या आता है, वो एक जो बड़ा सा एक आता है ना, जैसे इफ़ यू सी दिस, इस टाइप का वो एक क्रेन टाइप्स की आती है. और फिर जब तक नाउ दोज पीपल नो कि जब तक अब वो क्रेन से वो बड़ी सी बॉल से उस बिल्डिंग को धक्का नहीं मारेंगे तब तक लोग नहीं निकलेंगे. सो इन द सिमिलर मैनर यूनिवर्स इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग विद द फेमिनिन एनर्जी लाइक दिस. So universe is going to create some kind of tower moment or some kind of difficult situation, because universe knows that till the time this feminine of mine doesn't get the push, or or some kind of tower moment, she is not going to come out of that building. Okay, so something similar is happening in your life where you can experience एक के बाद some kind of tower moments which is going to push you to come out of your comfort zone so that you can see the reality. Because when you're going to come out of this window, this is what you're going to experience. You will experience a very different kind of joy. You are going to experience a different kind of community support. You are going to experience different kind of social circle where people really connect with you, where they where they feel joy in your joy, okay, where you feel joy in their joy. So that kind of energy is what I'm connecting with. Okay, and let me tell you, in the 48 hours or when this energy is going to take place, your energy, your intuition is going to be super high. Okay, your intuition is going to give you a lot of answers, and probably through animals. Okay, you can see a lot of owls, you can see owls in your dreams, or otherwise you can see fox, you can see crows, you can see bats, that kind of, you can see a specific kind of bird all the time. Okay, so different animals are going to connect with you, because when we talk about the feminine energy, feminine very naturally connects with animals, with the wild, with trees, right, with nature. So you are going to receive a lot of messages from the nature, from the wild. Okay, and once you come out of that old house, from that rotten house of yours, and this rotten house is actually something where your soul doesn't want to stay. Okay, and this rotten house could be your own habits, it could be some kind of limitation that you have set within yourself. What you thought is a home to you is not actually a home to you. So let's say, if I say that, for example, my sun sign is Capricorn, and if I have this belief system, okay, I'm only connecting with Capricorn traits and this and that, now I know that this is not connecting with me, so I have to step out of this. I need to let go of these labels, from my system, and only then I can activate my feminine energy. So this is what is happening. And when you're going to come out of this old house, from this rotten space, something which is not at all, which cannot be maintained or repaired, that is when you're going to have your freedom. That is when you will experience freedom in your life. And for some, it is related to marriage as well. Okay, you will start getting a lot of intuitive messages related to your marriage. Those who are wanting to get married, or if you want to have any kind of confirmation messages or anything related to your marriage, okay, whether you are married or you're not married, your intuition is start going to tell you very soon. Okay, right now you just need to observe. Everything is going to be crystal clear in front of you. In the upcoming 10 days you will get immense amount of messages related to your marriage part. Okay, so that was your reading. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.